Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will diving into a stunning fashion piece that combines elegance, comfort and a touch of floral romance. The flower decker chunky heel with ankle straps. Whether you are a bride, bridesmaid or simply someone who loves dressing up for special evening, these heels are designed to turn heats and keep you walking with confidence. So sit back, relax, and let's explore every little detail and these statements. Now on your screen you see many designs. Here are designs. Which one is your favorite? These heels are perfect for any occasion. The first thing you will notice about these heels is their bold, chunky base. Unlike thin stilettos that can be tricky to walk in, chunky heels offer solid support. They distribute your weight more evenly, making them perfect for long events like wedding, formal dinner, or even festival parties. Now let's talk about the floral accent. The delicate flowers are not just glued on. They are carefully placed and crafted, giving each pair a unique, handcrafted feel. Depending on the designs, you might see soft pastel petals, sparkling embellishments, or even pearl centers, adding that perfect romantic charm. Of course, no elegant heel is complete without a secure ankle straps. These straps are not only practical, keeping your heels firmly in place, but they also elongate your legs visually. The sleek buckle or warp around design add a subtle touch of sophistication, balancing beauty with function. When it's come to heel, comfort is just as important as style. The padded insole of these flower decker chunky heels ensure you can dance, walk, and stand for hours without discomfort. The wider base means less pressure on your feet, making them a favorite for a bride who want to look fabulous all day without worrying about sore arcs. Nor do you style with these heels, the possibilities are endless. Pair them with the flowing evening gown for a red carpet vibes, and many other dresses are available. Match them with the knee length dress for a sweet feminine look. Even with tailored pants or a jumpsuits, these shoes add just the right pop of glamour. The floral detailing make them versatile for both spring and summer outfit, while the ankle straps keep them chic and timeless. These shine bright at special occasion. Bride love them for wedding ceremonies, especially outdoors, gardens, wedding, where the floral themes fit perfectly. They are also ideal for engagement parties, proms, anniversaries, or even a fancy night out with friends, and become of the chunky heel sport. You won't have to wash the flat halfway through your event to keep your flower level chunky heel looking brand new. Handle them with care. So if the flowers are embellishment with beads or pearl, make sure they don't snags on fabric with the right care. These here will remain your favorite go-to pair for many celebrations. This painting fills your heart and that everything you need to know about the gorgeous he. If you enjoyed this deep dive into fashion footwear, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who loves shoes such much as you do. Thanks for watching.